Hello everyone. Today I will be making a video of this 1973 or 74 Lasko Model 3150 12-inch table fan. This is the first video of my 2015 Cleanup Week finds I will be doing. My brother actually picked this one up for me, and it's in perfect condition down to the original cord. Only issue is a small chip in the base here, and a small chip in the oscillator knob there, but not really much of a big deal. You guys may remember I made a video of this one here, this 1972 model, which is in much worse condition than this one. This is an older model. You can tell by if I turn them to the side here, this one has a handle, this one does not. The base plates are also different, as you can see. The design on this one is a little nicer than this one, and also the bottom plate here, this one's metal on the 1972. On the later model it's plastic. Turn them both to the back here. But the 1972 model I will most likely be giving to a local collector here, due to it being in not as good condition as this new one here. It's missing the oscillator knob, and the screw in there broke. It has cracks in the plastic, a chip down here and a major crack, and some chips there. The neck is not original. It does run, but not very well. There's rust on the bottom base plate. It's just not in the best condition. So I'll most likely be giving that one away. And then get back to this one here. Turn it to the front here. It runs very nicely and very little yellowing on the fan. I'll start up on low here. Here's medium. And high. Down to medium. And low. And of course, so thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.